Hello, everyone. What I want to show you today are some of the amazing educational online software tools that can be used either as a family to help your children or as an independent teacher to work with your students online. I think you'll find this very interesting. There's so many of them that really and truly I'm not even so sure where to start, but I'll see if I can do it in alphabetical order. So one of them is called ABCA, which is great for really young kids, okay? And it was founded in 2004, 18 years ago, and its parent organization is IXL, which we'll be getting into soon. And some of these other ones, which I'm going to show too, it includes typing.com, which is a great one as well. Okay, so here's ABCA, and as you see, it's a really, really fun site. And they do have a privacy policy, and they have some really neat games that you can play. You can do everything. Here they're showing a lot of painting and animation. They have a carnival part. They're showcasing now some Halloween fun things for Halloween coming up. Bubble bursting fun, games by theme, card games, cat games, animal games, food games, story games, robot games, sports games, retro games. They have more space games and money games. They have bingo games, crossword games, hunt games, multiplayer games, platformer games, puzzle games, racing games, and word search games. And it's considered the leader in educational games for kids. It's been noted in the New York Times by Apple, USA Today, Parents, Scholastic, Fox News. It's really, really, really good. So let's do, to just show you an example of how cool it is, let's do one of these typing game things here. Okay, so here we see there's a keyboard challenge. Okay. Really, really good. It's great to use. Okay. Well, I'm not too sure why it was doing that. Okay, so now let's see what would be the next one. Anything in the B's? Anything in the C's? Um, okay, anything in the D's, E? Oh, I'll just do it by memory. Okay, so here's IXL. Okay, so here's IXL. And IXL is very good as well. You really can't see it properly unless you sign in, but let's say you have kindergarten here. It gives you an example of the kind of questions that you do. And so some of the questions would be like, there are 3 green cubes and 3 purple cubes. How many cubes are there in all? Complete the sentence, right? So, and 3 and 3 is, right? And it is 6, right? So it's that kind of thing. This is for the math, and then they also have English as well. And this is just from the junior kindergarten one. So click on the button, which letter do you hear? And it's really, really good. IXL is very good as well. They also have an American version plus versions all over the world. For the one in France, they just have math. Excuse me. Okay, so now another really, really good software program is also EdPuzzle. Okay, and EdPuzzle is something that okay, I'll just log in here quickly. Okay. So you can just get a glimpse of it. Okay. So they have videos on all different kind of topics, like what career personality are you, relocation and expansion, diffusion, weaknesses of articles of confederation, pronombra personalis. They have Spanish, Justin Bieber baby lyrics and compound sentences, formatting pictures, in Word. They have a lot of different things. And the great thing about EdPuzzle is that it basically takes a lot of the material from YouTube and repurposes it so that it has questions along with it too, so that it really works very well for educational purposes in an online class or in-person class or that kind of thing. Another really good resource as well that I don't use as much as I should is Rockalingua. Rockalingua is another really good one. Just quickly sign in here. I think I'll be able to sign in. Okay, so yeah, here's Rockalingua. And they have videos in Spanish that you can watch. This is better for older kids. They have games that you can play. They have songs that you can listen to. Okay. All in Spanish to help with your Spanish. They have worksheets that you can work on. They have a picture dictionary that you can work with too in Spanish. They have short stories. It's really, really good. And they also have crafts that you can do too. They encourage the Spanish language. Okay, so another one I'm going to show to you that deals with languages in general is Rosetta Stone. Okay, and Rosetta Stone is a really good one. And it's a great way to learn many different kind of languages. And that's the main thing I'm going to show is the different languages that you can learn. It's just loading. Okay, so now so just go here to switch languages. So you can see you can learn Arabic, Chinese Mandarin, Dutch, English American, and British, Tagalog, Filipino language, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, everything from Hindi to Korean, from Latin to Russian there, from Spanish to Vietnamese, and also Spanish from Spain as well as Latin America, plus Latin. You can also learn Spanish from Latin America and even Turkish, even Swedish, Portuguese, Polish, Persian, Irish. It's really good. Now I'm going to show you another one that's also really good for learning languages that many of you may already know about, and that's Duolingo. Okay. And many kids really love Duolingo. It's very, very popular amongst kids. Usually when they get a taste of Rosetta Stone, they really like it too, but it's really, really quite popular amongst kids. I've been inactive for a while on it. But I'll show here the languages you can learn. So okay, so let's go to learn here. No, let's see. Okay. Those are my languages that I'm working on now, but we'll see if I can find out. Let's see if I click on Duolingo. Click on Duolingo. Okay, let's see if I go to add new course. Okay, yeah. You can learn Spanish, French, Japanese, German, Korean, Hindi, Italian, Chinese, Russian, Arabic, Turkish, Portuguese, Dutch, Vietnamese, Greek, Latin, Swedish, Polish, Ukrainian, Irish, Norwegian, Hebrew, Indonesian, Danish, Valerian, Finnish, Romanian, Hawaiian, Czech, Welsh, Scottish Gaelic, Swahili, Hungarian, Haitian Creole, Klingon, Esperanto, Yiddish, Navajo, Zulu, and Xhosa. So which they're actually just working on. I think now they're 6% done with it. Okay. All right. So as you see, Duolingo has a wide range of languages that you can learn as well. Another really good one I should have thought of when I thought of the B is BrainPOP. And here's some information about BrainPOP, founded December 31st, 1999, 22 years ago. And this is the main BrainPOP here. Okay. This is the main BrainPOP. And it's really good. It has really cool movies that you can watch on a wide variety of subjects. It can even help you to improve your English as well. Okay. So now say I want something on imagination here. Okay, so it'll play this video about imagination, and there's a quiz that you can answer afterwards. Okay. Now, BrainPOP actually has a lot of things you can do with it, because that's the BrainPOP regular, but they also have BrainPOP ELL. BrainPOP ELL here. In case this is BrainPOP ELL, and it's very good too. And they even have a English language learning. They also have a BrainPOP Junior. Okay, a BrainPOP Junior. See where the link is for it. I'm not seeing the link for it. Okay, I think if I go back to this and go to the bottom, I can find the link for it. Okay, BrainPOP Junior. Well, it's taking a long time to load. We'll veer off that page. Okay. But there's also more BrainPOP in store. There's BrainPOP Espanol. Okay, this is BrainPOP Espanol, where it's ciencia social, matemáticas, salud, tecnología, arte y música, español, le nueve y las tendencias. So this is BrainPOP Espanol. They also have BrainPOP Francais in French as well. This is BrainPOP French, Sciences de la Terre, Mathématiques, Histoire, Géo et Société, Français, Sciences de la Vie, Techno-Ingénierie, Art et Musique, Nouveau et Tendance. And the great thing about the BrainPOP Spanish and French, similar to Rockalingua Spanish, it's like it gives you an immersion experience in the language if you're going to be teaching in an immersion kind of way. And BrainPOP regular, depending on the age of the child, also teaches an immersion English experience too. There are lots of other really good ones. There's also Learning A to Z that's really good. Learning A to Z is really good. Okay. I'm just going to click that for now. And they have readings that you can use in order to help improve a number of languages, not just English. And they also have different aspects um to their platform as well. Not Learning A to Z also encompasses like shop for products. They have Reading A to Z, Raz Plus, Science A to Z, Writing A to Z, Raz Kids, Vocabulary A to Z, Head Sprout, Foundations A to Z, and soon Writing A to Z Adventure Zone is coming. Plus, they have add-ons like English languages in English language learning, Raz Plus Connected Classroom, and also Raz Plus Espanol. Okay, so it's very, very good. And another one that I was just thinking of and then forgot. What was that one again? That's a good one too. Oh yes, now I remember. Okay. Code.org is very, very good. Is absolutely excellent. Really, really good. And okay, I'm just gonna sign in here. Okay. Okay. And you can create an account for free. And it's a really, really good, really, really good program where you can code. You can learn to code. Like take for example, say something like Minecraft Voyage Aquatic. You just go through the steps, right? So if I view as a student, right, you just go through the steps and it'll teach you, and you just follow the directions and it'll help you learn how to code in like Minecraft even, right? So yeah, you can choose your character and all that. Okay. All right, that's a really good one. And what are other really, really good teaching tools I can mention as well? Those are kind of some of the main ones I tend to use. Trying to think if there's anything else that oh, another really good one. And this is actually a not-for-profit organization. And you can make a donation to them. Okay, you can make a donation to them in order to just thank them for being able to use it. Of any amount you can afford, but this is ReadWorks, right? And they have all this really, really great content. Like look at Hispanic Heritage Month here. Like, really, really good reading options. You can choose anywhere from kindergarten there, and it changes to grade 11, 12, and then it changes the content of what's there. So ReadWorks is also very good too. I highly recommend that as well. There are a whole bunch of other different ones too. There are tons of others. If I think of others, I'll make sure that I share them in a video that I put up, that I post up. Okay. So hope that will help.